Hello and welcome, it's your boy Jack here to do another reaction video. This time I'll be reacting to Diana Ankudinova performing Blizzard at the You Are Super competition. And again, she was just 15 years old when she did this, so it's mind-blowing how absolutely phenomenal she is as an artist. When she was that young, it's crazy. Yes, dramatic contralto and all that stuff. Still, it's just unbelievable how fantastic it is. Her voice is, her performance, the stage presence is right from the get go. I mean, with the other stuff, I've checked out the dance Dinari and I haven't done Rin Checker yet. But what's the other one I did? I'm drawing a blank right now, but that's just how awesome she is. Anyway, I decided to actually react to Blizzard. This version would be from the US Super. Obviously, I'm choosing it because I'm a bit worried about the audio quality of the other performances that she's had. Some of them are a bit spotty, but I've said consistently that the US Super's audio quality is absolutely fantastic. I really want to hear her voice, so I have to stick with this version. And as a result, chances are this video is actually going to get, I'm going to have to actually blur the video just to actually, bypass the whole copyright issue. And I hope you guys don't mind and you will stay to the end and enjoy the performance, enjoy her voice, and we'll see how this goes. So as I said, this is Blizzard performed by Diana Ankudinova at the You Are Super competition. So I guess without further ado, let's get this reacting party started as soon as I do that. It's haunting melody.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Hold up. I'm sorry, I have to take it back there. There was that whole weird thing she did with the voice, that low whisper kind of situation happening over there, which caught me off guard. It's just unexpected, and it's sort of like signals some sort of like danger or something really, I don't know. Well, I said maybe something primal, so to speak. I guess it sort of works because, Blizzard, Mother Nature, primal. Yeah. So her voice actually conveys. I'm assuming that's what the song is about Blizzard. So it kind of conveys that. It's like there's danger. And that was unexpected. I just love how it sounded. Sorry, I know I'm talking too much. Let's just take it back to her start.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
I love it when she does that. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to stop there. The whole opening just signals something fraught with peril or something. I don't know why. That's what I'm getting from the whole 50 seconds of the song, where I'm feeling as though I'm caught in something like in a snowstorm and I'm trying to get to a location or something like that. And this is just, or at least the character is caught in the blizzard and trying to find a way to stay safe. It's like there's danger everywhere. That's what I'm getting from the voice. That's what it seems like it's conveyed to me, which is brilliant. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to take it back. I just love it when she does that whole voice, her voice that kind of blends. I know, yeah, everyone, dramatic contralto and all that stuff, but still, it's still impressive that you have a 15-year-old able to actually do that and just blend the voice. It just creates this really rich. Yeah, you know what? I'm sorry. Let's just take it back to here.
Снег,
before she did
ночью
the voice.
идем, и меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустой.
We're gonna go boom big, aren't we?
Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Again, brilliant. As you can see, very deep, very rich, very interesting. It's just amazing. And also, again, I just realized it sort of gives me this whole, epic animated movie about, I don't know, something, the hero heading towards battle or something like that. It's just mind-boggling how much it feels very. It's moving. That's basically what it is, and she's able to convey the emotion very well. It actually forces you to feel. Maybe that's not. Maybe my feeling is very different, but it forces you to actually feel something. And I'm feeling all this. It's like someone's lost in the blizzard. They're trying to get to a location. There's danger all around, and it seems like an epic story that's actually being told as a soundtrack to an epic sequence. So there you go.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга.
Rain.
Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
It's absolutely amazing, her stage presence. It's like, if I didn't know who she was, I would assume if someone much older actually performing that song, and it's absolutely mind-boggling how freakishly fantastic she is. It's like her stage presence, her voice, the whole thing is just unbelievable. I don't know, it's awesome. It's crazy. And I can't wait to check out more stuff for her, because I am still I've checked this is like the fourth or fifth reaction video of hers, and I'm still surprised when I hear her sing. It's like, it's unbelievable. It's just unreal, absolutely unreal. So can't wait to check out more stuff from her. So with that said, this is your boy Jack. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Lets you know when next I drop a new video. Don't forget to leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to react to. And if you've got nothing to say, just say hey. That's absolutely okay. And as you all know, tons of videos in this channel. Please don't hesitate to check them out. Leave comments, likes, dislike, if that's how you roll. That's absolutely okay. I'm quite certain you'll find something that would pique your interest, or just suit whatever mood you're in, and boom, there you go. Awesome. All right. And also, most importantly, you have to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. And with that said, this is your boy Jack. You all take care, and I will see you on the flip side.